Next, we're going to make sure we preheat the section where I want to post the actual words or design. Next, we're going to place our cut right where we want it. Make sure it's centered properly. Make sure that you keep the shiny part on top. You want that part to be under the iron. Next, I put my pieces together just like I designed it, and watch the magic happen. Uh-oh, I missed this spot. That's because the arc on the top, I didn't want to for the top letters. So, easy fix for that. Have the mini press, and it's going to catch that little space that I missed. Check it out. There we have it. My dad is a New York Knicks fan, so I decided to put the colors in, like a basketball in the middle. But this is my finished product, and it actually came out pretty cool. That's how vinyl actually works. It's soft and it actually sticks well, and keep on cricketing. Thanks for watching.